I had a goal to, when I turned 40, that I was going to have a breast reduction. Turned 40 a year ago and decided that's it, I'm making the appointment with Dr. Krummen. People who are seeking medical care thrive and want their whole being to be recognized, not just them as their illness or their disease or their procedure. And I think that is definitely what Dr. Krummen's office does.
I really always have enjoyed the bond with the patients. I've gotten a lot of satisfaction and joy out of the work that I have performed with them.
I was a little self-conscious about it, quite honestly, because of the size that I was so large. And so for me, it was more of an embarrassment. She spent a lot of time asking me more about what are my goals from her, almost as if making sure that it was a right fit. She was very understanding of personal timing, of emotional timing, again, just that holistic approach to caring for you as a whole person. So recovery time for me was about 6 weeks. I spent probably the first 3 or 4 days needing pain medicine, which was to be expected. I felt like I was very prepared for what to expect, but total was about 6 weeks before I really went back to work and could really have full movement of my arms. She does everything in her power to educate you on how to help the scars be as non-noticeable as they can be. Mine happened to be a little bit more because of the way I had to be cut with 7.5 pounds taken off of me. That's quite a bit, and so the way she had to do the procedure, I have a little bit more scarring. Dr. Krummen is a hopeful realist. And I say that term because she definitely gives you what she hopes the outcomes will be and what she hopes things will turn out like.
Everybody tells me how comfortable they are because of the way she handles them and talks to them.
It's very refreshing, I think, especially when you're dealing with types of procedures that are not just physical fix procedures that have a lot of emotional connection that come with it, not just the physical aspect of things. And so I think being that Dr. Krummen can take the time and does take the time, and her office staff takes the time to meet you where you are and to, again, help you get to the goal that you're looking at.
Just seeing her with patients that have to go through chemotherapy and then radiation and then do the reconstructive, she just comes at them like, almost like she would with a family member, you can tell she really cares.
Since having the breast reduction, it's given me a whole new outlook on life, really. It's given me the opportunity to see myself in a new light. It's given me the opportunity to reach more goals that I couldn't reach because of the large size that I was. When you're ready to do it, it is a procedure you will not be upset that you did.